Amazon is a trillion-dollar business that you can use on your phone, on your computer, or on the go. And probably almost everyone that is watching this video likely purchased from Amazon at one point or the other. But see, there are some side hustles that you can take advantage in the Amazon ecosystem to actually start making money off of this incredible growth company. And don't worry, today's list of these Amazon side hustles do not involve drop shipping. We're not talking about drop shipping or Amazon FBA or anything like that. These are actually side hustles that anyone can start as a beginner as early as today. And yes, I've even taken advantage of some of these side hustles. And in fact, I started one last month and already made $200 in one single month. And I'll share that with you a little bit later in the video. So if you're ready to get started, don't be dumb. Tap the thumb on the video. Let's get started with number one on the list, Amazon Flex. Now, this is a physical side hustle. This is not something that you can do on the go or from home. Those come a little bit later in the video. But what's really nice about Amazon Flex is it gives you the power over your own schedule. So now you probably have noticed those Amazon Prime vehicles driving around maybe your city, your neighborhood, or maybe coming to your door to drop something off. But did you know that beyond those Amazon Prime vehicles, there are other vehicles that are delivering Amazon products to people every single day? And it's actually people like you and I. You can sign up for something called Amazon Flex. And with that program, you can take your vehicle to one of the distribution centers for Amazon, load up your vehicle with a bunch of packages, and then take those packages out to people who have ordered off of Amazon. Now, I did notice that if you do Amazon Flex really late at night or really early in the morning, that's where you get the great deals. We're talking about like you could do a trip for maybe an hour and make $100. But it all depends on A, your location, and B, your time commitment. And of course, you could scale this up as much or as little as you'd like to, but that's a great way to take advantage of the Amazon money by delivering packages to everyday consumers. There's actually another way that you can do reviews on products, and I'm talking about any type of product you have. Let's say, for example, you bought something off of Amazon and you love the product. Or maybe you don't. You want to tell some people about it. Or let's say you have a product sitting around your house that you use every day that you're like, wait a minute, that product actually sells on Amazon. I could do a review on it. Did you actually know that there's something called Amazon influencers? And all you really need is maybe like an Instagram account, Facebook account, TikTok, or YouTube, and you sign up. As long as you have at least some type of following, you don't have to have a lot. You can only have a small little bit, but you prove out that you have some people following you, and you can become an Amazon influencer. That allows you to create videos. And with these videos, you can then give reviews on everyday products. This is the one I started a month ago, and I've already made $200 last month based on some review videos that I did. These videos are like a minute or 2 minutes long, and you just review everyday products. And I shop on Amazon a lot. So these are things I need anyway. But instead, I said, hey, now I'm going to use them, but also do a video review on them to make some extra money in my spare time. And the best part about this one, you can do it in your own time, from home, and it generates passive income. Because once you post that video up, that video review up, you sit back, relax, and as people watch a minimum of 30 seconds of that video and then make a purchase based on your video that they just watched, you'll earn a commission. If you want to learn a little bit more about any of these side hustles within Amazon, let me know by dropping me a comment down below. Now, the next one before we get to the one that my buddy's been working on is Amazon affiliates. Now, let's say you have a blog or you want to start a blog. Heck, you could even use ChatGPT, one of those AI tools to create your own blog, write products, write information, write a blog post, and then tie that to Amazon programs. In fact, it doesn't have to be anything that's in a particular niche within Amazon. So for example, let's say you have a blog on gardening. It's like something totally random, and you're just like typing it up for your friends and family. Well, if people are visiting your blog, you should have like links to Amazon products in there. Whether it relates to gardening or not, it's worth putting things in there so that way you can earn some extra income. Now, I've done this super stealth. I have a blog that has not been updated in years, and I decided to add some Amazon affiliate links. Here's how much I made. And literally, I didn't do anything. I didn't even call attention to the Amazon link. I just said, okay, here's this. I'm going to plug in the link and see what happens. So imagine if I put focus and effort and intensity on maybe writing a post or even writing a review on that Amazon product, linking them over to the product, I would then earn a commission, and you can too. All you have to do, sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, plug in your details, use the links, based on the product that you want to promote, and off you go. This could also be something you do from home, and it can be passive. So that means I'm going to personally rank this one, as well as number 2, the video review, at the top because of the passive income opportunity and the remote work that comes along with it. In third place, Amazon Flex, because it is cool. You can make some great money with it. I think everybody should at least try it at least once, especially if you live close to a distribution center. But you do got to go out, spend money on gas, use your car, be physical with it, and that may not be as cool as these other ones. So let's talk about the last one then. And that is Amazon KDP. Now this one's super interesting. This is the one that my buddy has been doing, and he's made about $1,000, $2,000 a month off of. And it's making books. Now, it's not like you have to write a book. Now, if you want to write a book, that's great, but you don't have to. You can make something very simple like a word search book or even a notebook and put that on Amazon KDP. Amazon allows people to actually create books, and they will print them and ship them to customers. All you got to do is put it into a PDF, upload that PDF into the Amazon KDP program, and it will immediately ship it out to the customer every time they order. Now, what's really nice about that is that you don't have to worry about being published. See, in the past, let's say you wanted to create a word search book. Let's say you actually had a great idea for a children's book in mind and you wanted to write it out. You would have to go out and find somebody to publish your book. And actually there was a great story about J.K. Rowling. When she was trying to do Harry Potter, did you know that she went to many, many different publishers trying to publish this book of Harry Potter that she had? And she didn't actually get anybody to jump on it. Nobody jumped on it until they finally did. And I bet all those other companies that decided not to publish that book are kicking themselves in the butt because, wow, what a brand Harry Potter is now. But unlike back then, imagine if Amazon KDP existed when J.K. Rowling was trying to do Harry Potter. Perhaps she could put it onto this site, generate her own ISBN, get it printed on demand thanks to Amazon, and let it grow from there. Then at that point, you can expand your distribution and really make some good money. But don't worry, you don't have to be J.K. Rowling. In fact, I made a very simple word search book. And this is a word search book for dog lovers. This is the book. I actually bought my own book, got to help myself out, right? But I decided to give this a try, and it's very easy to use. What I did to automate the word search is I went into a company called Bookbolt. They put this together for me. I uploaded it to Amazon, and now I'm published. And what I'm going to do is continue to scale that up to see if I can really generate some income. So if you're up for the challenge and you want to do your own Amazon KDP business, comment down below so we can hang out on this journey together and see how we grow in the future. If you want to learn the specific details, though, that it takes to ensure that you not only get your book set up for success, but also you could use AI tools to make this super simple and done in minutes, all you have to do is check out this video next, and we'll see you on the next video.